Hello everyone, welcome to Code Carnation. Today we'll see what is virtual device or what is simulator in Android Studio. So क्या let's start. आज हम कोड कार्निशन में देखेंगे वीडियो जो कि सिमुलेटर पे होगा लाइक वर्चुअल डिवाइस पे. So let's search with AVD manager. So the first result we get it. Let's understand what is ADV manager. Android virtual device. So Android virtual device is configuration of like characteristics of Android phone, tablet or Android devices. So basically, ADV is nothing but we will be having a simulator or setup of Android device. So each time we do not need to install our APK what we are building or what we are developing in our physical device. So the setup will be completely in the system. It's a virtual device where we can simulate our APK which we have built it. So let's understand how it will be there in the Android Studio. So if we'll open Android Studio, से खोल जाने दीजिए. So Android Studio में if you click on configure, so you will see first option AVD manager. So basically this AVD manager will nothing but let's understand all the Google document. So Android developer console document, creating and managing the virtual device is as simple as just one click installation. So we will be having the aid, like we need to go to the AVD manager and there we can see there is various type of devices or multiple device we can install at one go. So it can be as much as possible mobile, TV, smartwatch or automotive, um, car, LED और those things and tablet. सो ये सारी चीज़ें हम एक साथ इंस्टॉल करके उसे सिमुलेट कर सकते हैं. लाइक सपोज इफ़ वी आर बिल्डिंग अ एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन फॉर ऑटोमोबाइल और इन द कार, so we have to simulate it in automobile devices. So for that we can just download the virtual device in it and then we can simulate it very easily. So these are the types of devices. Also it will be like resolution, whatever the resolution of these devices, it will be giving very clear one. Then API will be given. Android version, you it is in your hand, you can change it at any time. So like suppose how we need to go through, we can first choose the devices like category we are having 5 type, which is TV, phone, watches, then tablet and automotive. So suppose if I am choosing any one of them, I have choose the phone. So I am having all the phone model. Basically all the models means those models which covered all the type of screen resolutions, because if I am taking Nexus or Pixel 3, it will be having all these versions. Moreover, like we will be having the uh, Android version as well. So suppose in Android version we can download any one of the latest one and then we can configure it. So in further in next screen we can see we will be having two types, either landscape or portrait. So suppose a landscape is nothing but when we will be using, suppose we are building a gaming app. So in that situation we will be building a landscape mode. So for that we require a landscape for sure. So that's how it will be. So we can choose this anyone. We can just edit the Android version and devices, then edit the name of the device, and then we need to click on finish. So that's how. Let's Rest of the things are same, just they have given few more details. You can give a clear idea how the screen or all those things. That this, like before implementing any new thing, you should cover the documentation part. You should cover, once you aware of the document, you will be having a clear idea what they need and how it works. So now let's simulate it in real time. In our Android Studio, we'll try to download a virtual, or we'll try to set up. In Android Studio, we'll see first option as a start a new Android Studio project. Very soon in the next video we will come up on this. We'll try to build a, we'll try to like record a video on how to start a new project in Android Studio. So that will be coming very soon. uh, so like we need to choose the activities and those things, package detail and those things will be covered in that. Let's came and start with AVD manager. So once we'll click on this, before doing that, we should know how the SDK. So this is already being covered in second part of the this series. So if you have not watched that video, please watch it out, because we have already covered how to install uh, any other Android versions, or how to install other SDK packages. So we have already descriptively covered SDK platform, SDK tools, or updated site. Everything we have covered in that video. So if you have not watched, hit on the second part and you can see this one. Like in our channel, they will be there. And also do not forget to subscribe to Code Carnation and hit the bell icon, so that whenever we upload a fresh video, it will reach to you on same time. So yeah, now start with AVD manager. So I have already installed one of the devices, which is Pixel 3a API. So moreover, we'll try to do one more. So for that, we will be just here I have used the Android version 9, and we can have a duplicate VoIP data. Like VoIP data is nothing but will clear this devices, all this device data we can clear it out. So this is how the VoIP data will work. But just create virtual device. So choose your device definition. If I'm choosing TV, I will be having two options. Then further in the category, I can choose 5 of them. So phone, again I'm having all the option of the phone, like it will cover all of them which is there in the market. Like which is there in the market in the sense of resolutions. So all the resolutions will be covered in this. Moreover, wear watches. So we are basically having three types of wear watches. Some are square, completely square. Then this is like chipping on the bottom, and this is complete circle. So this chipping of the bottom is Lenovo watches. It will be having this particular framework. So accordingly, you have to build the app. So you should be very clear, because content of your app should not be cut it out. Again, the square will be quite enough, and then the circle. Then again, you will be having a tablet will be there from 7 inches to 10 inches, which will be basically they haven't used iPad or something, because it is completely on iOS. So the tablet which is running with Android, they have covered only the those tablets are there. So Nexus 7 and those things. So they will be having 7 inches to 10 inches, 10.05 inches tablets are there. So we can choose any one of them and click on next. Then we'll be having the automotive. So automotive is nothing but the LED which will be used in the car segment, or any of the four-wheeler. So we have the LED. So basically we are having two types in this as well. So in this, based upon whatever we are building, we can choose it and click on next. So installing will be the same way. So to install, we'll try to install a mobile, and in the same way you can install other things as well. So I have already having the Pixel 3a, so I'm just doing the same thing, Pixel 2a. So click on Pixel 2a, click on next. Here you can see right now I have downloaded the Pi um, Android version. You can download other also. You will be having a download option in this. just click and it will be giving you a pop-up to download it. It will download it immediately. Again, the API will be given next to that Android name, Android devices, so that API will be covered, I guess. So if you want to, suppose if you have downloaded multiple already multiple Android version, it will give you an option to choose out of them. So if I am clicking on any one of them and clicking on next, it will download, but as of now I do not require, so I've cancelled it out because I will be testing my Android app in Pie version itself. So clicking on next, again we will be having that option to choose it any one of them. So will naming will be there, then landscape mode or portrait mode, then we will be having other definitions. So previously if we'll choose any one of the Android version so that we can edit it from here. So right now I'm having Pi, so I'm just checking the Pi itself. So here the same thing is available. So landscape I have done, and that I can make it as portrait or landscape, anything can be done, then finish. So it will take few seconds to be installed. So yeah, bingo, so our device is being installed. So basically this is what the tutorial of this particular video. So yeah, stay tuned, we will be bringing the next segment on how to start a fresh project in Android Studio with Android Studio. Also we'll explain about packaged and what is packaged and how it will be, how you can run it, how you use this simulator or virtual device to run that particular project. We will take it in next part, so stay tuned. Thank you. Subscribe to Code Carnation.